How to secure your Cambridge English certificate again. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing a vital topic: how to request a replacement certificate for your Cambridge English exams. We understand that sometimes things get misplaced or lost, and it's essential to know the steps to retrieve this valuable document. Certificates are an important testament to your English language skills. You might need them for 1. University admissions. 2. Job applications. 3. Visa or immigration purposes. 4. Personal satisfaction and record. Sometimes, due to various reasons, these certificates might be misplaced, damaged, or lost. But don't worry, Cambridge English has a process in place to help you get a replacement. Before jumping into the process, ensure you've 1. Checked all possible places where it might be. 2. Waited a sufficient amount of time if you think it's lost in the post. 3. Verified the address you provided during registration, in case it was sent to an old or incorrect address. Now, let's delve into the steps. 1. Contact the center. Always start by reaching out to the exam center where you took the test. They'll guide you on the specific procedure they have. 2. Provide necessary information. Be ready with your details such as your full name, date of birth, and other exam-specific details like the date of examination and candidate number. 3. Pay a fee. Usually, there's a fee associated with getting a replacement. The amount varies based on your location and the specific center. 4. Wait. After your request is submitted and the fee is paid, there might be a waiting period. It typically takes a few weeks, but this could vary. 1. Store safely. Once you receive your replacement, store it in a safe and easily accessible place to avoid future hassles. 2. Digital backup. Consider making a digital copy or taking a photo. While it won't replace the original, it's useful for reference. 3. Notify institutions. If you've already submitted copies of your certificate to universities or employers, notify them about the loss and the new replacement. There you have it. That's how you can request a replacement for your Cambridge English exam certificate. Always remember, it's crucial to keep such documents safe. We hope this video has been helpful, and you now have clarity on the steps to take if ever faced with such a situation. Happy learning, until next time.